Hey, this is the Bose SoundTouch 10 and Bose SoundTouch 20. I was recently in Bangkok and I came across firstly the Bose SoundTouch 10 and thought it sounded really nice for like a bedroom speaker, and I purchased it. I was then later at the airport and I came across the Bose SoundTouch 20 and I realised it was also a really good speaker. If I had come across these at the same time, I would have had a lot of trouble deciding on which one to purchase, because they are not that different in price and they both sound really good. So I'm putting on this review today so that you can make an informed decision on which one to buy. I hope it helps. I'll play the SoundTouch 20 first, and then I'll play the SoundTouch 10. Now it's being recorded on a Canon SX720. It's got a pretty good mic on it, so you should be able to make sort of a good decision as long as you have good speakers on your side. But again, it depends on what speakers you have and how good this microphone is and things like that, but it should help you. SoundTouch 20. SoundTouch 10. One thing that I noticed with these speakers is, and in comparison to other Bose speakers and much larger speakers that I have, is that the sound is quite refined, and I sound like a expert when I say that, but I'm not. But when I listen to music of all kinds, like rock, hip-hop, or the radio, or movies, or anything, whether it's bassy or voices or whatever, and I explain that really badly, it sounds really good at all levels, in comparison to the Companion 5 system by Bose, which I have. It's quite a bassy unit. It sounds really good with hip hop and with like electronic music, but doesn't sound so good with sort of vocals and things like that. This system sounds really good, or these systems sound really good with vocals, and if you're listening to a podcast, you can really hear voices really well in terms of you know, they sound really deep and really refined, if that helps. These also come with an application, the SoundTouch application, which is really cool, so you can access all of your music as well as your favorite radio stations. So you've got one which is just, you know, one that you store in there, two, you know, your pre-selected radio stations, and my favorite feature is down here. So you've got however many SoundTouches you have in your house, and then you've also got a feature to go up and you can go play everywhere. So this will synchronize all of them. So now you can see here you've got both of them, and you can adjust the volume. So you've got one in your bedroom, one in your lounge, and they're both playing at the exact same time, so they're not out of sync. So yeah, if you are deciding on sort of buying or not buying, this is definitely a plus with Bose. The app is really easy to use, and you can access Spotify and all of those main kind of music providers as well via this application. Both of these, so the SoundTouch 10, the SoundTouch 20 and the SoundTouch 30, all come with remotes as well, which are really easy to use. They're very similar to what you would see on top of each unit. So power button, your quick select radio stations, and also here your sort of aux Bluetooth modes as well. And also you've got a thumbs up, thumb down there as well. I hope you enjoyed my review and sound test. basically it's quite hard to decide on speakers without knowing what kind of room you have or where you're going to put it. Both of these units are really good. Things to take into account is how much bass you want, how much money you want to spend, and where you're putting the speaker. And also one thing where sort of a lot of people fall short is these aren't wireless speakers. They're called wireless speakers because they go via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but they are wired. So there is a cable for power. So take that into account. They're both really, really good units. You know, for the money that you pay, or regardless of what you're paying, the sound quality is really good. Whether you're listening to radio or blasting out music, I've even tried watching a movie with the SoundTouch 20 and it sounded really good. The bass was good. And the portability of the SoundTouch 10, if you want to take it away on holiday with you, you know, in the car, really easy to do so. And if you want to switch them around in terms of have it in the living room for 1 week and then switch it into your bedroom, it's really, really easy to move around. So I hope you liked my review. Thumbs up if you did. And thanks for watching. Cheers, Mike.